Hello everyone, welcome to techpicks.com. Today we are diving into one of our robotics projects, that is a hungry robot, which swallows anything that is placed on its tray, and so is its name. This robot can serve as a fun activity to the school-going students who are willing to begin their journey in the field of robotics. As it will enhance their knowledge, let's look at its components now. First of all, we have deployed a distance sensor to detect the presence of the objects placed in the tray. The model and specifications of the sensor have been given in the description below. A servo motor has been used for the movement of the tray, and the microcontroller that we have used here is ESP32. However, you can use any other microcontroller such as Arduino Nano as per your convenience. For power supply, we have deployed a mobile adapter which is most commonly used in every household. Now, let's have a look at the working of this robot. For this, I'll first plug in the adapter to power the robot on. In order to test the movement of the tray, we have some candies here. We will put them one by one in the tray and check whether the robot takes them inside its container. So what exactly happens here is, when the sensor detects the candy or anything placed in its tray, it sends a signal to the microcontroller which further instructs the servo motor to move the tray upwards towards the mouth of the robot. So as it can be seen that the robot is continuously swallowing the candies that is being put into its tray. This way, the robot can be used to perform tasks such as fetching the objects from one place to another. It should be noticed that there is a very smooth movement of the tray towards the mouth of the robot. Now comes the question, how to empty the robot. So for this, first we need to turn the power off. Then we will open it in this way, and thus we can empty it. It is quite easy task. Now, you can see the storage of our hungry robot. It can be made of any size and shape as per our requirement. This project can find application in daily life in households such as for tidying up the toys and even carrying the used utensils, and in the medical settings it can be used to carry and store medical equipment. I hope you like this project. If you want to buy, you can go on the link given in the description below where you can buy a ready-to-use kit and a DIY kit as well. For any queries regarding the project, you may contact on the given number. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video and have a good day.